Today, I'm reviewing a new tool that's a real game changer, the Mellif 2-in-1 Lawn Thatcher and Scarifier. Before we dive in, let's quickly prep the lawn by edging around the beds and walkways and giving it a good mow. This machine runs on two 20-volt batteries and offers 4 convenient height adjustment levels. Here's a quick look at my lawn before I start thatching. The Mellif tool is lightweight, incredibly easy to maneuver, and features a roomy 12-gallon collection bag. Its blades span 15 inches, allowing you to cover ground efficiently. Removing thatch is essential for lawn health because it allows the grass to breathe better and absorb water more effectively. Plus, it just looks great. My lawn was in serious need of dethatching, especially this area with lots of moss beneath the surface. The Mellif made quick work of clearing all that out. These 2 full bags represent all the thatch removed from just my front lawn. Check out this striking before and after comparison. I will mention, I ended up dethatching twice because it was really overdue. Now let's explore the second powerful feature of this tool, the Scarifier. Switching between modes is simple. Remove a single screw, take out the thatch springs, and insert the Scarifier blades. My backyard had significantly compacted soil from excavating earlier this spring. The Scarifier cuts into the soil and grass roots, creating channels for water and nutrients to reach deeper into the roots, promoting healthier, greener growth. If you're serious about having a healthier, better-looking lawn, the Mellif 2-in-1 Lawn Thatcher and Scarifier deserves a spot in your shed.